If you want to create these trending images with your name using Bing AI, then this video is for you. Let's open bing.com. Click on Images. Now click Create. Now paste your prompt here. You can also find this prompt under the description of this video. And click Create. Wait for the result. Now open the image by click on Image. You can also download it by clicking the Download button. Let's change the prompt a little bit. And click Create. That's amazing. You can also create more images according to your imagination. If you like the video, then subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.